Hi, this is Michael. I'm president of a company. I give Join.me 5 stars. Click down below for more reviews like this. Before I used Join Me, I mostly relied on Skype or even Google Chat for my conference needs for my company. But I was mostly Skype, and I was very unsatisfied with Skype because there was lots of hiccups in the audio and dropped calls, and that caused me to look for another product, and that's how I found Join.me, which I like much better. I chose Join.me because I was looking for a video conference tool that was reliable. There's nothing more embarrassing than dealing with a client or a customer and having a call drop or having nobody be able to hear each other. I'm all about professionalism, so I replaced my former product with Join.me and found great reliability. Join.me was very easy to use from the beginning. One of my favorite things about it was send somebody a link, they click and they join. They don't have to learn how to use it. They don't have to know anything about it previously. It's very easy onboarding. If you're considering Join.me, I would recommend that you go ahead and use a trial version, and I believe that you'll be happy with the product and choose the product and be on your way to solving your video conference needs with Join.me.